What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm teaching my Nephew. Come on, Neph! What you doing, nephew? Come on, man! This is Nephew right here. This is my 16.
15.
He act 30. My 30-year-old nephew. He never drove. You ever drove a car before?
Yo.
You for real?
Yeah.
You ever drove stick shift before?
No.
Okay, so this right here is my 2002 Acura RSX Type S. I'm finna teach Nephew how to drive stick shift because he's in high school now, which means Justice is at that age. My nephew named Justice. He's at that age where he gotta start plowing. And now when now look, you know, 15's a very young age. I waited till I was 17. Actually, I ain't wait. I just got lucky at 17. Justice, he got more game than me, so he might not have to do that. So why not give Nephew the fundamentals to plow with the Coon Pow Towel? You feel me? Give my nephew a little tutorial, you know what I'm saying, driving stick shift, because you are the coolest kid in school if you pull up in the school parking lot with a stick shift car. You got any friends that drive stick shift cars? They don't got no girls, do they? I told you. I'm telling you. Come on, Neff, get in, man. I'm teach my nephew how to drive stick shift. Now, Justice, let me get this straight. You mess up my clutch, you dead.
Well, you're the one that want me to do this, but...
When I mean dead, I mean dead. Can you spell dead?
D-I-E-D.
Dead. That's died. What you gonna be if you mess up my clutch? All right, scoot up. Get your seat all smetchamated. No, Justin, you gotta scoot the seat up. You gotta feel comfortable, nephew. Come on, man. What if I was a girl? Ooh, Justice, this car is so nice. Where you get this from? If you drive me home, I swear I'm gonna make it worth your while. Come on, how you gonna look? First off, first off, before you gonna drive stick shift, you need to get a seat position where you look cool. Just, you don't look cool right now. You look scared. You need to look cool. Look cool, man. You know what I'm saying? Lean back or something. You know what I mean? You gotta chill out. You feel me? Come on, Justice, man.
Hey.
You straight? I mean, hold on. Let me get outside the car real quick. Open up. All right, there we go. Let me see. See how you look. All right, you all right. All right, come on. All right, so you can put your foot on the clutch. This is the clutch pedal. No, that's the clutch pedal. Clutch all the way down. That's good for you for lengthwise. Like you can. All right. You're gonna turn the car on. Make sure the car's out of gear. So you're gonna make sure it's out of gear. Now turn it. You're gonna clutch in. Now turn the car on. Nigga, let go of the thing. My God, they gonna mess up my starter, man. All right. Now are they gonna clutch in? Now put the car in first gear.
You know how I do that.
You're gonna go like this. Ooh, Justice, we're gonna learn how to drive.
Stop.
Come on. First gear. All right, now you're gonna come off the clutch a little bit. Hold on. You're gonna come off the clutch a little bit while giving the gas. That's the brake, fool. All right. Oh, hey. Shit. Oh, Lord. We dead. Oh, my God. Justice, come on. Justice. Come off the clutch a little bit. You feel me? All right, now turn the car on. Now, when the car turn on, don't keep holding. My starter is precious. All right, so you're gonna turn the car on. Clutch all in. All right, now turn the car on. My nigga. All right, so you're gonna come off the clutch a little. Put your foot on the gas pedal. All right, you come off the clutch a little bit, nigga. God. All right, turn the car on. We're gonna do this one more time. You gonna learn it. You got this, Jess. I believe in you. My nephew. I believe in you. All right, so you're gonna come off the clutch a little bit, too much. Come off a little, no, come off a little bit. All right, now put your foot on the gas a little bit. All right, now too much. Come off a little bit. All right, okay, little gas, no, all right, come off the clutch a little bit on the clutch pedal. All right, gas. Nigga, you gotta come off the clutch a little bit, nephew. A little bit. Oh, boom. See how you did it? Now that's a good stall. You ain't go like, you ain't doing none of that. All right, so you're gonna clutch in. All right, turn the car on. All right, now you're gonna come off the clutch a little bit. Keep going. All right, right. That you feel the car trying to move a little bit?
Yeah.
All right, so when you do that, you're gonna come off a little bit more, just a little bit. All right, gas. Alright, no, too much. You want when you gas it, make sure the car goes like in between the 2 and the 1. So you try to gas it to where it's in between the 2 and the 1. Alright, now come off the clutch. You gotta gas it now. When you do that, you gotta gas it. So clutch in, and then turn the car on. Alright. Now when you come off the okay, you can mess with it. You can actually tap the gas if you want to. Alright, now come off the clutch while you do that. Come off the clutch while you do it. Gas it, you gotta keep gassing it. When you do that, it's gonna clutch all in. Alright, now you're gonna do it again. That's too much, That's too much gas. You kinda getting it? Sticky don't look amused at all. You got this, nephew! It's too much driving! Hold on. Oh, that's too much gas, nephew. You gonna get us in trouble. You know, I ain't registered yet. Hold on, chill out. Alright, oh, you felt the car move a little bit. Okay, nephew, we moving! Oh, come on, Neff! Come on, we moving. Gas. Let off the clutch, get off the gas. Just gas. Oh my God! Nephew, we moving! Alright. Oh, you ride the, oh Lord. Judge, you just drove stick shift. I'm finna hit up every girl on your phone right now and show them this video. I might go to jail. I can't be no R. Kelly now. Let me chill. I ain't doing that. Too much gas, nigga. Right? No, under the 2. It's very light. You just gotta tap it. Too much, Justice. Let me show you like this. Like that. Now when you do that, you're just gonna come off the clutch a little bit. You know what I mean? You gotta just ride it. Oh, actually, yeah, go ahead, turn it on. You know the e-brake was up, so that could have I could have messed something up right there. I bet it'll go now. Come off the clutch. With gas. All right, let go the clutch. There you go. Turn the wheel. No, nigga, why you braking? Don't be scared. Just drive, nephew. You got this, Neff. Oh, we going. No, keep going. Turn. Nephew, gas. Just keep turning. All you gotta do is just keep turning. All right, too much, boys. Whoa, slow down, playboy. All right, now gas a little bit. We driving. Let's go. Nephew. My nigga finna get all the tang. All right, you're gonna hit the corner. You turn a little bit. Turn, right there. Bam. Keep straight, like you drop. Put it straight. Oh my God, my nephew drop. All right, you can go right at the end and just turn. Keeping the first gear in there. That's all you gotta do. You driving stick shift. What? This is my nephew. Hey, yeah. Hey, Erica Action Clutch. If you watching, I might need a new clutch, man. You know, we family. You feel me? My nephew driving stick shift in the RSX. Let's go! Nephew, drive! You wanna go to second gear?
Oh, you'll be alright.
Alright, facts. You know, I ain't got money like that. That's why I make these type of videos so people can be like, oh my God, you're such a great uncle. My nephew ride now! You feel me? Ooh! Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to put the car in neutral. Clutch in. Alright, that's it. Look, you don't even got a gas no more. It's in neutral. You can let go of the clutch. Turn. It ain't gonna do nothing. It ain't gonna turn off no more. Oh, nephew! Man, look at my nephew, dog. Yeah, buddy. You wanna try to do it again?
Yeah.
All right. Oh. Nephew doing burnouts to these people. Oh, Lord, please don't take me to jail. I know he young, but he good-hearted. Nephew driving again. We driving. My nephew right there. You feel me? Man, I'm proud of you, nephew. I might gotta give you $20, man. For real. Look at my nephew driving. Boy, your mama ain't gonna believe this. She probably gonna cuss me out though, but that's straight. I get the cuss out for this. You feel? My nephew driving the. Ooh. I smell clutch, nephew. You smell that?
Yeah, and I smell you need conflicts.
I'm gonna need my car fixed after this. You gonna help me fix it?
I don't know about all that.
All right, nephew, where you going? Nephew! Oh no, we gonna crash. All right, okay, there you go. You slow down a little bit. Oh, wait, okay, hold on, nephew. Okay, go ahead. You good, nephew, you good. I just smell clutch, but that's okay. You know what I mean? Keep it moving, baby. You know, you just feel it. I hope this video was worth it. My nephew driving stick shift, man. You been sending us all of this Snapchat friends.
They'll be alright.
Alright, Judge, you wanna slow down? You gonna clutch in? Clutch in. Alright, neutral. Alright, there you go. You good? Turn. So you don't hit nothing. Good job, nephew. You didn't even got your seatbelt on. Just like your uncle. Alright. You wanna do it again or you good?
Perfect position. I gave you a perfect position.
Thank you, nephew. I appreciate that, man.
Look.
You done?
No, I get it.
You want one more? And now he love it. Now he's having fun. The car's already on, nigga. What you doing?
Oh.
Alright, you can clutch in. Actually, scoot the seat up a little bit more. I'm gonna see.
Oh, my fault.
Yeah, you might gotta go up, nephew. Alright, right there. Just so you can be more comfortable. So you're gonna clutch in. Alright, you're gonna put the car in first gear. Alright, now put your foot on the gas. Now don't be scared. Alright, so you're gonna come off the clutch a little bit. Wait, come off the clutch a little bit. A little bit. Just keep going. No. Don't even gotta gas it. It's gonna roll by itself. A little bit. Keep it. Boom. Perfect. Now you see if you feel the car moving. Yeah. Now you gotta do is just come off the clutch. Actually, just come off. There you go. There you go. There you go, nephew. Let's go. You wanna go to second gear?
No, they'll be alright. Yeah.
Just why you going so fast around this corner? What are you trying for global time attack or something?
Yeah.
My nephew. All right, Nep. I love this. That's my nephew, y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at Justice Uncle.
Pretty sure everybody really feel about Coilovers.
I'm gonna need y'all to buy a t-shirt so I can yo. Just where you going?
I'm just getting the hang.
Okay, I'm glad now. You good. You doing good. I think you should shift to second gear.
They'll be alright, like I said.
You ain't scared? My nephew gonna be born at driving cars. That's my nephew right there. I hope the police don't come because I ain't got a license.
You won't need it.
Good job, nephew. You did a fantastic job. All right, get out of my car.
I gave you a good position again.
Appreciate your nephew. And that's it, you know what I'm saying? That's my nephew just learned how to drive stick shift. Hey, just look at your nephew. You want to shout out some people? You know what I mean? You want to do a shout out before, you know what I'm saying? I take you home and get mad and they'll be all right. Just say they're going to be all right, man. Okay. And that's it. In conclusion, my nephew drove his first stick shift car and I'm glad it was my 2002 Acura RSX Type S. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up on the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Do all the things that I wouldn't do to somebody watching a video like this. And, yeah, man. Y'all have a good, blessed day. You did good, nephew. You did good. You telling your friends you drive a stick shift? You lying. Don't lie to me, nephew. You know I got your phone records on my computer, right? I monitor you sometimes. I get bored. I'm saying, what my nephew be talking about, man? You be saying some things, just I know.